Is it behind that big rock?
Yeah. Hit him once. 150 behind the rock.
Up on the hill a little bit, or?
Yep, yeah.
Say I don't see him.
I don't have a angle for it.
He's knocked. You don't have a scope for it?
I do. I just evidently had a weird angle.
I don't have the angle.
Oh, okay. He's like, yeah, he's just knocked. I don't know where his buddy is. There.
Oh, yep.
Done.
Fuck.
All right, MK Fort. Somebody is. There he is. Southeast, 130 running in. He just went prone. Hit him once. Damn. Behind the big rock. 110. Hit him again. Oh! Yes.
Nice.
That's what I'm talking about, dude. I liked it. That was good.
We got 7 others now.
That felt good. I do a little record.